What if I told you that a 15-year-old just earned his PhD in quantum physics? It sounds like something out of a science fiction movie, but it's the real-life story of Laurent Simons, a Belgian prodigy who is redefining what's possible, and his next goal. It's even more ambitious: unlocking human immortality. Laurent Simons isn't your average teacher. While most kids his age are navigating high school, Laurent was defending his doctoral thesis at the University of Antwerp. He officially became one of the youngest PhD holders in history. His dissertation topic was Bose-Polarons and superfluids and Now, that's a mouthful, but in simple terms, he was studying some of the most complex and bizarre states of matter in the universe. Imagine a gas so cold that all its particles start acting like a single giant atom. That's a Bose-Einstein condensate, and it's the kind of mind-bending stuff Laurent has mastered. But let's rewind a bit. How did a 15-year-old get here? Laurent's journey has been nothing short of extraordinary. He was born in Belgium, but now lives in the Netherlands. And it was clear from a very young age that he was different. His intellectual abilities were off the charts, with an IQ measured at 145, placing him in the highly gifted category. While other kids were learning to read and write, Laurent was speeding through his education at an incredible pace. He finished high school in about a year, graduating at the age of 8. Imagine that! At an age when most of us were trading Pokemon cards, he was collecting his high school diploma. His next stop was university. In 2019, he was on track to become the world's youngest university graduate before his 10th birthday. He was studying electrical engineering at a top university in the Netherlands. However, a disagreement over his graduation schedule led him to leave that program. But that didn't slow him down. Not one bit. Instead of getting discouraged, Laurent simply pivoted. He enrolled in a bachelor's program for physics at the University of Antwerp. Most students take 3 years to complete this degree. Laurent did it in just 18 months, graduating with distinction. He was just getting warmed up. By the time he was 12, an age when most of his peers were in middle school, Laurent had already earned his master's degree in quantum physics. Think about that for a second. While others were worrying about algebra homework, he was tackling the fundamental principles that govern our universe. He completed all the required courses for his 2-year master's program in just 1 semester. The second semester was dedicated to his thesis and an internship at the world-renowned Max Planck Institute in Germany. It was during this internship that Laurent started to see a connection between his 2 passions, physics and medicine. He began exploring how the principles of quantum physics could be applied to biological systems. His master's research even explored the wild analogy between certain quantum states and black holes. This is a kid who sees connections that most of us can't even begin to imagine. After getting his master's degree, most people would take a break. But Laurent felt he hadn't even reached his limits yet. So, naturally, he went straight for a PhD. And just recently, at 15 years old, he successfully defended it. So, what's next for a 15-year-old with a doctorate in quantum physics? A quiet life of research? Not exactly. Laurent has been very clear about his ultimate ambition. He told a TV station, "After this, I'll start working towards my goal, creating superhumans." This isn't a new idea for him. Since he was 11, he has stated that his end goal is to achieve human immortality. He believes the key lies in replacing biological body parts with artificial, mechanical ones. It's a bold, futuristic vision, and he's not just dreaming about it. He's actively working towards it. Immediately after defending his physics PhD, Laurent and his father returned to Munich. And believe it or not, he is already enrolled in a second doctoral program. This time, it's in medical science, with a specialization in artificial intelligence. He is now bridging the gap between the quantum world, the medical field, and the power of AI to pursue his goal of extending human life indefinitely. Laurent's story is a powerful reminder that age is just a number and that human potential can be truly limitless. He's not just a prodigy. He is a visionary who is already taking concrete steps to tackle one of humanity's oldest and most profound questions. Can we conquer death? His journey is just beginning, and it's going to be fascinating to watch what he does next. He's combining the fundamental laws of physics with cutting-edge medical science, and could he be the one to unlock the secrets to a much longer, or even endless, lifespan? Only time will tell, but one thing is for sure. Laurent Simons is a name you'll want to remember. What do you think about his goal? Is creating artificial organs to achieve immortality the future of humanity? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this story, do you want to forget to like and subscribe for more incredible stories from the cutting edge of science and technology?